Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build global awareness with international studies abroad, full guide step by step clearly. Studying abroad is a powerful way to build global awareness. Start by researching potential programs that fit your academic and personal interests. Look for universities or institutions that have established partnerships with your current school. Explore different countries to understand their cultures, economies, and political landscapes. Consider language immersion programs to enhance your communication skills. Review program costs, including tuition, housing, and travel expenses. Apply for scholarships and financial aid specifically for international studies. Connect with previous participants to gain insights and first-hand experiences. Prepare necessary documents, such as passports and visas, well in advance. Enroll in pre-departure orientations provided by your university for essential information. Create a budget plan to manage your finances while abroad. Stay informed about the cultural norms and customs of your host country. Make arrangements for health insurance that covers international care. Set personal goals for your study abroad experience to stay focused. Develop a support network by connecting with fellow international students. Maintain open communication with family and friends back home. Engage in local activities and events to immerse yourself in the culture. Seek opportunities for internships or volunteer work to gain practical experience. Document your journey through journaling or blogging to reflect on your experiences. Upon returning home, share your insights with peers and encourage them to consider studying abroad. Recognize that building global awareness is an ongoing process. Continue to educate yourself on international issues and cultures after your return. Stay connected with friends made during your studies to maintain a global perspective. Advocate for cultural exchange in your community to foster understanding. Embrace lifelong learning to deepen your global awareness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.